So we'll be scanning for the obturator nerve and the femoral nerve. We'll start with the femoral nerve. So to do that, we place a linear high frequency probe around the inguinal crease. And we should initially see a vascular structure, which is the femoral artery. We may see two femoral arteries, and that's we've just placed the probe below the bifurcation of the femoral artery. So we really want to see just one singular artery, so we'll scan upwards. Okay, so there's where we have the femoral artery proper, and if we scan just a little bit higher from there, we'll get a really good picture of the femoral nerve. So the femoral nerve is located right here. So you can see here it's kind of an oval shaped structure. It can be quite flat and kind of fan-like as well. Other important things to note are the fascia iliaca, which you can see here. This is a fascial layer that splits to encase the femoral nerve. And we can actually take advantage of that fascial layer to conduct local anesthetic next to the femoral nerve. The femoral nerve sits on top of the iliopsoas muscle, which is right here. And a little bit more superficial, you can see the fascia lata. So once we found the femoral nerve and femoral artery, we can then increase our depth a bit. Okay, we can scan medially. Okay, and as we scan medially, what we'll see is the pectineus muscle here. Okay, that's this next muscle over. Okay, if we continue to scan, we'll see our adductor muscles. So this is longus, this is brevis, and this is magnus. And within, in between longus and brevis, we can see the anterior branch of the obturator nerve. The obturator often shows up as a hyperechoic structure that tracks in the muscle plane between adductor longus and brevis. So that's what you're seeing here. Sometimes you find it at the confluence of longus, brevis, and pectineus, so where all these three muscles meet. And basically what you're seeing here is you're seeing the nerve kind of run through this plane, and it'll eventually innervate the adductor longus and brevis. You can actually probably see another branch that's actually innervating brevis right here. And more proximally it goes back to one singular nerve, but there it's giving branches that are actually innervating the muscle proper here. Okay. And then the posterior branch of the obturator is located here. Again, there are these hyperechoic structures located between the muscles. So the posterior branch of the obturator is located in between the adductor brevis and magnus. Okay. Also within these planes are vascular structures, so it's important to put color Doppler on and just see if there's any sort of vascular structures that are located within these planes as well.